Do you want to know which drones will be the best in 2023? Drones are essential for any vlogger, but even if you are not one, having a cool gadget is reason enough to justify purchasing one. Some are only glorified tech toys, but the ones we showcase here are appropriate for use in both modest and substantial image and cinematic applications. The technology has advanced significantly in a short period, which is wonderful news if you think you can use a flying camera in your upcoming project. Some current models on the market are unmatched in terms of video quality and stabilization by older helicopters. If you want a dependable and durable device that produces top-notch videos and stills, investing in the best drone is a sensible decision. The best drone for the money will not break or lose control on the first flight, whether you're shopping for your first drone or are an aerial filmmaker with more expertise seeking an upgrade. Here are the best drones for any pilot, ranging from the best affordable drones to strong, pro-friendly quadcopters. DJI Mavic 3. Let's start with one of the big guns. The Mavic 3 is larger than the previous Mavic drones from DJI. Forearms on the Mavic 3 fold out from its body, making carrying the drone simpler for you. It tops our list as the best option. Under the drone's brow is a big camera mounted on a gimbal, and its back is where the battery is located. Though the Mavic 3 has 8 GB of internal storage, you'll want to add your card. A USB-C port and a micro SD card slot are located directly above the battery compartment. The Mavic 3 contains 2 cameras. A primary 1.2-inch CMOS 12-megapixel sensor that serves as the digital zoom lens, and a secondary 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor with a 20-megapixels resolution to offer you crisper shots. The primary camera features a 4-degree field of view, a 24mm equivalent lens, and an aperture range of f2.8 to f11. You can change the aperture, which offers you considerably more control than you would with other drones. The ISO ranges from 100 to 6400. However, at ISO 3200 and above, you notice much graininess, as with most other cameras. It can record videos with resolutions as high as 5.1K. The Mavic 3 can remain in the air for an amazing 46 minutes. It certainly makes a difference to fly it longer and obtain the photo you want because of the increased flight duration. The Mavic 3 has 3 flight modes: cinematic, normal, and sport. Sport mode allows you to go up to 43 miles per hour, while cinematic mode reduces speed to a dignified 11 miles per hour. An absolute beast of a drone in all aspects, including the price. Autel Evo Lite Plus. Along with all the capabilities that the majority of people would ever require, the Autel Evo Lite Plus gives exceptional value for the money. The Lite Plus will become a formidable option if future firmware updates can be used to add manual control across all shooting modes. The video can be up to 5.4K at up to 30 frames per second and 4 Kelvin up to 60 frames per second. The Lite Plus is available in a starter kit with a single battery and remote control. However, to utilize the Autel Sky app and view through the camera, you must have an Android or iOS smartphone. Photos can be saved in the 20 megapixels RAW DNG file or the JPG format. Internal storage on the drone is 6 GB, which is more than plenty for photos. Although you receive a little less in practice, Autel claims the flight battery should last up to 40 minutes of use before charging. The Sky app shows all the data you might need to know while flying. In the bottom left corner, you can see the drone's position on a map, and there is always a compass that shows the drone's position concerning the home point. With Autel's Moonlight technology, you can capture detailed nighttime images even with a high ISO setting. With Autel Skylink's 7.4-mile transmission range, you can fly farther while enjoying sharp, clear sights. With the new super wide-angle obstacle avoidance, fly with confidence. For automatic shooting, settings on the Autel Lite Plus quadcopter enable spectacular, expert-level images to be produced at the touch of a button. Whether you're an experienced drone pilot or brand new to the drone game, the Autel Sky app lets you add a soundtrack and filters to your video to make it even more dramatic. A small portable drone that can do it all. Skydio 2 Plus. The Skydio 2 Plus may be the greatest drone available for anyone looking for a drone that is simple to fly and can capture videos of the highest caliber. With AI-assisted controls and autonomous flight capabilities, this drone stands out and is suited for even younger or less experienced users. Additionally, this drone is readily comparable to more expensive top-end drones when usability is coupled with amazing 4K 60 frames per second footage. The primary camera on a camera drone is its most valued feature. The Skydio 2's primary camera is a Sony IMX577 12.3 megapixels CMOS sensor. It can capture 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. One sensor is driven at 1920 by 1080 at 120, 60, or 30 frames per second, and the other three are driven at 3840 by 2160 at 60, 48, 30, or 24 frames per second. You may now capture slow-motion video at 120 frames per second in 1080% HD. Images are saved in RAW format at a resolution of 4056 by 3040 in either JPEG or DNG. Additionally, photographs will be evenly balanced and neither overexposed nor underexposed, thanks to the 13-stop dynamic exposure range. A 20mm f2.8 aperture is available on the built-in lens. The Skydio 2's 4K camera delivers incredibly clear, sharp footage, a significant advance over its predecessor. On the Skydio 2 Plus, a single battery provides roughly 23 minutes of flight time, falling short of expectations given its high price. The Studio 2 Plus is ideal for photographers who do not want to be hands-on with manual controls or drone newbies. DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI Mini 3 Pro is the latest evolution of DJI's Mini family. Weighs less than 249 grams and comes with upgraded safety features. It has a 1.3-inch sensor and top-tier features, redefining what it means to fly mini. The Mini 3 Pro sports a new look optimized to get more out of every flight. The streamlined design allows for increased flight time and safety with larger propellers, an aerodynamic body tilt, and a powerful obstacle sensing system. The gimbal offers a wider rotation range for low-angle shots and true vertical shooting, allowing endless creative opportunities. With a longer flight time of up to 34 minutes, you may capture and explore more of your surroundings. The intelligent flight battery for the DJI Mini 3 Pro is incredibly compact and powerful enough to meet your needs for aerial photography. Consider upgrading to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus for up to 47 minutes of worry-free exploring. Beautiful 4K HDR footage and 48 megapixels RAW images will elevate your material. Even when you zoom in, astonish yourself at the vivid clarity of each picture. Alternately, use dramatic 1080p 120 frames per second slow-motion footage to slow things down when the world becomes chaotic. DJI Mini 3 Pro is fully upgraded to support active obstacle sensing and stable video transmission. Cine-like color mode provides richer color possibilities and more flexibility when editing. Equipped with forwarding, backward, and downward dual vision sensors and an all-new aircraft design, DJI Mini 3 Pro boasts a flagship-level video transmission system in DJI O3. It ensures a 1080p 30 frames per second live feed at distances of up to 12 kilometers. Advanced pilot assistance systems detect real-time objects in the aircraft's flight path. The Mini 3 Pro is a great choice if you need a tiny, light drone that you can transport with your other camera and video equipment and still get decent levels of imagery. EXO Blackhawk 2 Pro. It boasts a 4 Kelvin camera, several clever flight modes, and an amazing 10,000-meter range to give you peace of mind for all the different drone shots. High-end consumer drones like the EXO Blackhawk 2 Pro are good. It can capture stunning images and videos. The 1.3 sensor and quad Bayer-like technology of the camera enable it to produce great photographs. Even in light breezes, the whole 3-axis gimbal does a good job of maintaining stability. The Blackhawk 2 Pro has a remarkable bitrate of up to 200 megabytes per second and can shoot 4 Kelvin footage at 30 frames per second. Additionally, it has a 48 megapixel still camera. The camera offers HDR and night shooting modes and a big f1.85 aperture. The Blackhawk 2 Pro has 6 obstacle avoidance sensors, providing complete 360-degree protection. With the help of the brand new Synclys 3 transmission system, it has a 10,000-meter range. It can go up to 35 miles per hour and has level 8 wind resistance. A flight on the Blackhawk 2 Pro can last up to 35 minutes. Blackhawk 2 creates images with fine detail, vibrant color, and a broad dynamic range. Blackhawk 2 makes it all too simple to survey your site. On a satellite map, draw and save intricate flight routes that Blackhawk 2 can follow on its own. You can set flight heights, speed, pause intervals, photo intervals, and more with the app. Blackhawk 2 is a drone to keep your eye on. You will find all the product links in the description below to check them out. Drones are in popular demand, and rightfully so. We hope this video helps you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and kindly share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.